Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I went back while I was waiting for that video to load, and I realized their yin yang had some circles in it and filled in. That would be very easily done. I've grouped this together, Control G, and put it in the center of the page. That's pretty important to me. I do it all the time. And then take your ellipse tool and just draw a little circle, holding down your control button, and hit P. Now we know we made a 12-inch circle, so that this is 6 inches from there to there. Change your nudge distance to 3 inches. Control D and make a duplicate and move it over. Control D and make a duplicate and move it over. We didn't have to make a duplicate. We could have just moved it over. And then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now, a traditional yin yang would be black and white. So what you could do is take that black one and move it over and go no fill outline and double click on it and make it 2 points, scale with object in case you make it larger. And now we can remove this circle and actually ungroup this and remove this. And I'm going to make the outline a little bit thicker so you can see it. Double click on your outline pen tool and we'll make it 8 points, still scale with object, and just move it over that 4 inches. Well, I did it 3 inches, but so there's your yin yang, and you could put any graphic in there. She actually has a dog's paw, and just keep in mind that this is not going to engrave because this is white. We'll just go ahead and put a yellow box trick and put it to the back of the page, and that's what it would look like engraved. So you need to really pay attention to your thickness of your line, and you could make these dots a little bit larger, I think, to make the yin yang a little bit more effective. But this would work. And you could also, if you wanted a little bit of color, you could take your Smart Fill tool and fill in a really light gray into that object, and it would give you a nice effect on your laser. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.